Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, I've been saying for a while that I think this is the end of the correction, which I still think that is the most likely scenario. If that's the case, then this needs to continue down. This needs to be a wave three. If it doesn't continue to make impulsive movements to the downside, then maybe it's not a wave three, but it's actually a correction to this last push up. So we definitely want to pay attention, that's for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Now, I'm watching these fib levels very closely because if we are in a wave three, this potentially could be like a one of three, a two of three. We could bounce from any one of these fib levels, go down very impulsively, and continue the downtrend. I'm not saying that it has to turn here and now. I'm just saying that it would have to make a lower high and turn at one of these Fibonacci levels if it really is continuing down on the much higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.